Hello and welcome to the Berman Fan TV. It's the Outfront match preview show. As San Miguel taking on Rainer Shine in the game number 3 and 4 of the double up special of this preview show. I'm Andra Alvaro. San Miguel Berman trailed by 2 games in series to nothing in favor of Rainer Shine. San Miguel looking to make their miracle in game number 3 and 4 by making a self-discipline and give their best shot in what they like to do. So it is impossible to score as early and the opponent Rainer Shine strikes back. So lalong mahirap itong serye na to. Sa Game 3, lalong patapos ng laban itong Rain or Shine. Kaya lang, San Miguel looking for a miracle as they did in the last semifinals in the last conference. Same in the finals of the Philippine Cup. But Coach Loya Austria is looking for a miracle moment of the series if they do so, as they making a presence in game number 3 at Phil Sports Arena at 7 p.m. So game 4, if San Miguel can notch their win, it is a turning point possibly at the Araneta Coliseum 7 p.m. also on Sunday. So San Miguel have their 2 more chance to let their shots go on. But let's focus on game 3. Game 3 is a last chance for San Miguel to move back the series, and they were extend to 4 games or even more. So Arvin Santos have to do what their teammates can do in both offense and defense. So paghahandaan nila ito. Ang formation sa game 3 and 4 will be 2-2-1 formation. And the starting 5 will be Tubid, Wilkerson, Fajardo, Ross, and Cabagnot. Sa game 4, Santos, Fajardo, Wilkerson, Lasseter, and Ross. So yun ang prediction ko sa starting lineup. My prediction sa game 3 and 4, I think San Miguel have their good chance, but Rainer Shine have trying to end this series. But in the end, San Miguel will marching on to extend their series twice, as they need to win this ball game. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. I'm Andra Alvaro, and we'll see you in the ball game. Inshallah. Bye.